Good morning children. In previous class I have explained you revision of first and second chapter. In this class I am going to revise third chapter to all of you. Let's see. Lesson third, MS PowerPoint, graphics and multimedia. In this chapter we will take some points like slide layouts, inserting tables, inserting charts, inserting smart art graphics, etc. So let's take slide layout. What is slide layout? Slide layout provides you placeholders where you can type text or images or charts, etc. And it is like a container, and all the materials of your slide hold here. So slide layout is the arrangement of all the objects on a slide. Slide layout can contain formatting of text like body text, bulleted list, titles, etc. You can use different kinds of object like text, chart, smart art graphics, pictures, online pictures, videos, audios in the slide layout. So let's take how many kinds of slide layout. There are 9 basic slide layouts in MS PowerPoint 2013. These are 9 basic slide layout like title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. This is the office theme. Okay. So first is title only. This slide layout is used to give the starting of your presentation or to divide sections of your presentation. Title and content. Title and content means this is the default and most commonly used slide layout. It is used to give topic and its content. So section header. Section header means slide type is used to separate different sections of the same presentation. Next is to content. It shows the to content means text in addition to the graphics type. Comparison slide layout means to content slide layout, but this slide type also includes heading, text box over each type of content. Title only. Yes, if you want to place only the title on the page, then you can choose the title only. Blank. If you want to add picture or graphics or any object, then you can choose the blank slide layout. Content with caption. If you want to give the picture or any content with their caption, then you can choose content and caption. Picture with caption. The right part of the slide is used to place a picture. The left side is used for a title and text to describe the topic picture. Okay children. Then using title and content slide layout, inserting the different content on the slide. Just go on the home tab, then layout. Then if you click on the layout, then such kind of layout appears. Then you can choose any type of layout, but for the content you have to select this layout, title and content. This is the picture, and there is a 6 content like chart, table, picture, online pictures and video and smart art graphics. Okay. So if you want to insert a table, then you can choose this icon. Click on this icon. Then there is a insert table dialog box appear. Give the number of rows and number of column, like column equals to 4, rows equals to 5, then click on the OK button. And table will be added on your slide layout. Next is inserting chart. Why the inserting chart? First of all, chart. What is chart? Chart is a graphical or pictorial representation of any data. See, to add the chart, click on the same. Click on the same layout and this type of home, layout and title and content. Then title and content, after that this picture will appear, insert chart icon. Then insert chart dialog box appear. Choose the chart type, column chart, line chart, pie chart, column chart. Then column chart appear. Then select the column chart and click on the OK button. Then chart provide in a separate sheet with their data. Chart provide in a separate sheet with the data. Okay, you can edit data here, where when you edit the data here, then chart is also edited. Okay, and then click on outside of the chart area. Then inserting smart art graphics. Smart art graphics is visual representation of your information, effectively communicate your messages or ideas. See, same here. To insert smart art graphics, click on the home, then layout, then slide layout, then title and content. Then this is the title and content slide layout, and click on the smart art graphics. This is the icon of the smart art graphics. Double click on this. Then this dialog box will be provide you, and choose cycle or any list, any kind of option. Then click on sub option and click on the OK button. Then smart art graphics added in your slide. Changing smart art graphics layout, style and color. Then select the smart art graphics. Smart art tool appears. Then click on design tab. Then choose whatever design you want to apply from the here. Okay, then click on design, any kind of design. Then change the color, whatever color you want. Then formatting is applied on your graphics. Inserting picture, same here. Click on the insert tab. Then picture dialog box appear. Select the picture, insert, and picture dialog box appear. Select the picture, whatever you want from the dialog box, and click on the insert tab. Picture is added in your slide. Inserting video, same here. You click on the insert. Then here video section, symbols and video section. Click on the video. Okay, then video dialog box appears. Select the video and click on the insert, and video will be appear. Okay, children, same here audio. You can insert audio with the audio section and click on the audio button. Then inserting photo album. If you want photo album is a presentation that you can create to display your personal or other photograph. You have learned about inserting a picture in the slide. Step to create a photo album. Like, open the blank presentation, click on the insert tab, image group, photo album button, and select the new photo album button. Click on the photo album dialog box. Then file or disk. Then select the any photo album, whatever you want, and click on the insert. Then pictures in album. Select, check any pictures in album. Then click on the create. Then photo album is added in your slide. I hope you understood all the topic from the chapter 3rd. So children, study each and every topic and do practice for your question answer and multiple choice question, whatever you studied in the PDF and chapters. Best of luck for 51st. Thank you.